Hey everybody, it's Ever from Hood Time Welding back with you again today. Today we're actually welding on some airplane parts. It's from a 1945 Piper J3 Cub. The only thing I can figure out is the customer is ordering parts and putting it together, piece by piece. So when he ordered, or like from, like not even ordering from piece to piece, but like finding parts from here, there, and everywhere, and then putting them together. So first thing we got to do is, you can see this is a right hand pedal and he needs it to be a left hand. So we're going to just have to cut it here and flip this around so it's the right size pedal. Next thing is this is actually the upper window on the one side. You can sort of see the shape of it, little handle to pull it closed. And right now, this angle we want to make sure we keep, but the rest of this needs to come down some. This actually has to move forward to about here and be a little bit lower to be able to fit in what he has. So we're going to have to cut her apart, take this one all the way apart, cut these loose, cut this loose, and on this one, we're going to end up, like I said, moving it forward a little bit and down. So it's about all it is today. It all be TIG welded together. He told me it's all welded with, or it's all 4031 steel. So I should be able to get away with just regular TIG welding, DC. Um, so yeah, something a little bit different. So we'll go ahead and get started on this. As always, let's go. Now that we've got it all cut apart and cut down to size, we'll just go ahead and start fitting it together. You can see this is going to be pretty easy. The tube on this one, I don't know if it's sort of hard to tell, but we got a little bit of a bow in there. Tried to straighten it just a little bit. The other thing you could see is I went through and I actually marked the table on the sizes we want. Maybe that's an angle, I don't know. Anyways, I have it marked out so that I could figure out if on this end, since we were cutting some down on here, that was going to actually move this pipe up. So I wanted to make sure this pipe was longer because moving it up shortens it that way. And it looks like we were like right on the money for how long we needed it. As you can see right there, it comes right to the end line. This isn't square. It is what it is. This is how it's got to be. So I mean, I know you saw me using the square to use that line, but then what we had to do is come off this front corner to get how far back we needed. So that told us where to put this line, and that line's got to go there. So you can't actually square it, you just got to go by what the measurements are so it fits in where it's got to go. So anyways, on this, like I said, we'll go through and we'll get it tacked into place, make sure everything's going to fit okay. There's a hole in here, so what we'll do is we'll probably throw a pin on it and make sure it's this way because that's how it came out, and just try to get it, parallel with the table for the hole I don't know exactly where that pin goes, but you can see that you've got the other pins. I'm assuming that's where the glass connects in that. But yeah, like I said, we'll go ahead and get all this stuff tacked together, and then we'll go ahead and get it welded up. So there you have it. They're both done. The pedal, like I saw, you saw me weld this up first. The problem with any of this is old stuff. So you're getting impurities that like to burn through from the inside. When you pull it up to the top, and then you're dealing with it. And then also, it's had rust on it before. So you got spots that are thinner than others. But I got the measurements he wanted. It's pretty solid. I think we should be good. So as always, hope you enjoy my content. If you do, big thumbs up is always appreciated. Any comments, questions, I'll answer them and get back to you. But we'll see you on the next one. Bye.